It was the absolute first article that visited our area in the nearby planet group from outside the nearby planet group in the tremendous scope of the universe. Secrets flourish, however. Not many enrapture the creative mind very like Oumuamua, the baffling interstellar guest that has space experts all over the planet scratching their heads in bewilderment. This heavenly drifter has gone against formal explanations at each turn. Its uncommon shape, its odd acceleration, and its seemingly erratic way of behaving have prompted wild suppositions and heated debate within the academic community and beyond. What secrets does Oumuamua hold, and what does its way towards Earth imply for the future of mankind? Join us as we set out on an unprecedented journey to unravel the secrets of Oumuamua and its surprising approach toward Earth. The narrative of Oumuamua began on an important day on October 19, 2017, which denoted a thrilling moment for those who enjoy gazing up at the evening sky. In the scenes of Hawaii, there's a large observational tool known as the PanSTARRS, Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System. Its main job is to scan the skies for any asteroids that could come near Earth and pose a threat. However, on this particular day, something unusual happened. A space researcher named Robert Warwick, who is skilled at unraveling the secrets of the universe, was examining the data collected by the telescope. What he came across was incredibly surprising. This object, later named Oumuamua, didn't seem to be the typical celestial bodies like rocks, asteroids, or comets that often circle our sun. The discovery of this bizarre object immediately caught the attention of space enthusiasts and professional stargazers worldwide. They were all eager to point their telescopes towards this anomaly to learn more about it. The efforts to observe and analyze it were intense and widespread. What they found from their combined observations was truly astounding. This article wasn't acting like the regular members of our solar system family. It wasn't orbiting the sun in a standard, predicted way. Rather, it was just passing through, suggesting that its origins were from outside our recognizable celestial boundaries. Thus, it was named Oumuamua, a beautiful Hawaiian word chosen by those who first spotted it. This extraordinary term, meaning a messenger from a distant place, aptly describes something like an infinite messenger. It's like getting a surprise visit or a mysterious signal from a distant part of our universe. This event isn't just intriguing to scientists. It's a symbol of how vast and unknown our universe is. When space experts or astronomers saw Oumuamua, they initially thought it was just an asteroid. It looked like one since it didn't have the usual signs of a comet, like a haze of gas and dust around it or a tail dragging along as it moved through space. However, then something unexpected happened. When Oumuamua started to leave our planetary system, it suddenly started to accelerate, which was astonishing. This sudden burst of speed is typically something they associate with comets, not asteroids. Comets have this cool ability to accelerate because as they move toward the sun, the heat makes them release gas and dust. This release acts like a natural engine, pushing the comet along faster. Oumuamua didn't behave like a typical comet at all. It didn't have the usual signs like gas or dust emissions, no dark halo around it, and no tail trailing behind. This surprising behavior left scientists puzzled. Oumuamua seemed to behave like a comet sometimes but looked more like an asteroid at others. This unusual combination of attributes made Oumuamua enthralling and baffling. Some scientists consider Oumuamua as a kind of subtle comet unique from the ones they're used to. They suggest that maybe it's releasing just a tiny bit of gas or dust, too small for their telescopes to detect. This nearly invisible puffing could be the reason Oumuamua is accelerating as it leaves the solar system. If this is true, Oumuamua would be a completely different type of comet, not fitting the typical image they have of them, big, bright, with a long tail. On the other hand, there's a wilder idea thrown into the mix by Avi Loeb, a Harvard professor. He's come up with a pretty stunning idea that sounds like something out of a science fiction story. Loeb suggests that maybe Oumuamua isn't a natural object like a comet or asteroid at all. He imagines it could be a piece of very advanced technology from another civilization, a thin, reflective sheet or sail catching sunlight to sail through space like a boat catches the wind to move through the water. This light sail could be an artificial object sent from far away, perhaps from another solar system. Loeb highlights that Oumuamua stands out due to its unusual shape, shiny surface, and surprising movement, which go against their standard understanding of space objects. What makes his idea so captivating is what it implies. If Oumuamua were indeed a probe from an alien civilization, it would mark a pivotal discovery, suggesting the existence of other intelligent creatures in the universe. This idea sparks excitement and ignites the imagination, hinting at the possibility that we are not alone in the vast expanse of the universe. However, while aliens are exciting, approaching it is crucial with caution. This hypothesis is just one among many, and most experts remain skeptical. They prefer explanations rooted in natural cosmic events, especially since the evidence supporting the alien hypothesis is limited. Additionally, with Oumuamua now out of reach, much is still unclear about it, as well as the countless other mysteries in space. Many scientists advocate focusing on stronger theories. Nevertheless, the ongoing debate surrounding Oumuamua highlights the tremendous secrets and potential discoveries awaiting beyond Earth. Since its appearance, scientists have wrestled with grasping this mysterious visitor without resorting to extraterrestrial explanations. They've proposed various theories, including the possibility that Oumuamua is a fragment from a larger celestial body, seen as a single puzzle piece without knowing the full picture it belongs to. Thus, when they study Oumuamua, they're essentially examining a part of an unexplored world, similar to finding an old artifact without knowing its complete history. Assumptions abound about its origins and purpose, but without the complete context, their understanding remains incomplete. This ongoing pursuit invites them to keep an open mind and continue exploring the secrets of the universe. One fascinating idea scientists have advanced is that Oumuamua could be a hydrogen iceberg. It's a bit of a mind-bender because unlike the icebergs they know all about, this one would be made of frozen hydrogen gas, a substance they generally encounter as a gas. The theory goes like this: if Oumuamua hails from a very frigid corner of the galaxy, it could have formed from this exotic form of ice. As Oumuamua came around the sun, the theory suggests that the heat caused the frozen hydrogen to change directly into gas, a process called sublimation. This gas release could have nudged Oumuamua along, supporting its speed without the dramatic tail typical of comets. Some scientists are raising their eyebrows, wondering if something as delicate as a hydrogen iceberg could even survive the rough journey through space. Cosmic radiation and other cosmic hazards could easily destroy it. But for some astronomers, Oumuamua represents a whole new class of celestial travelers. They speculate that it may be the first of its kind, born from unusual events in distant star systems. This peculiar space object has grabbed everyone's attention with its strange shape. It's definitely elongated and thin, unlike anything they've ever seen in our planetary system. Imagine an elongated cucumber much longer than usual, and they'll start to grasp the unique aspects of Oumuamua. It spans about 800 meters long, but it's around 80 meters wide, giving it a celestial appearance like a cigar or a needle. Pinpointing its exact shape is challenging since it's so distant and hard to observe, even with the most advanced telescopes. This challenge adds to the excitement and curiosity surrounding Oumuamua. Despite its distance and their limited view, they're certain it doesn't look like anything else they've seen orbiting the sun. Its unique structure and its movement through space have left scientists puzzled, pondering its origins and the forces that have shaped it. This erratic tumbling suggests to many scientists that Oumuamua has experienced significant disturbances in the past. They speculate it could have collided with something large or been rapidly ejected from its original orbit. What's particularly intriguing is that it's accelerating as it moves away from the sun. This acceleration isn't solely due to the sun's gravitational pull. There seems to be an unknown force giving an additional push, and they're still trying to unravel that mystery. Clues about this force can be gleaned from Oumuamua's appearance. It sports a dark red hue, reminiscent of objects seen far beyond Neptune. This color often indicates the presence of organic molecules on the surface, the building blocks of life. Though they can't say for sure that Oumuamua harbors life, it seems to have some crucial elements necessary for it. Its unique appearance, strange color, and the mysterious forces influencing it all add to the puzzle it presents in the sky. It's like a gripping tale from a mystery novel unfolding in the vast expanse of space. Each revelation they make about Oumuamua unravels a new chapter, not only about this unique and how it's going to affect the future of humanity. Oumuamua's incredible journey through the universe spans billions of years, a solitary journey through the bone-chilling darkness between stars. Along its way, it cuts through a constant torrent of cosmic rays, vigorous particles plunging through space at incredible speeds. These particles bombard Oumuamua, altering its composition and causing its surface to darken and take on a reddish tone. This transformation serves as a crucial piece of evidence for scientists, indicating Oumuamua's extensive travels across the solar system, enduring the trials of space and bearing the scars of countless astronomical encounters. These cosmic rays aren't just ordinary bursts of energy. They have the remarkable ability to forge complex organic molecules, a crucial step toward the potential emergence of life. While these molecules aren't living organisms themselves, they represent the fundamental building blocks essential for life's beginnings. This discovery is nothing short of astonishing, suggesting that Oumuamua might be more than a mere vagabond in the vastness of space. It could be a carrier of the very elements conducive to life's creation. Centuries of traversing the astronomical void, subjected to the relentless onslaught of cosmic events, might have endowed its surface with a rich tangle of chemicals and compounds. The interstellar environment where Oumuamua quietly floats is brutal and unforgiving. Yet perplexingly, it serves as a haven, sheltering celestial objects like Oumuamua. Despite the harsh conditions, it acts as a refuge, protecting these heavenly bodies from the ravages of space. Imagine an enthralling phenomenon called the gravity assist maneuver, almost like a space game of tag, zooming near a massive celestial object like a planet or a star, gaining a significant speed boost from its gravity, shooting forward much faster than it would in space. Scientists focus on these speed boosts caused by gravity, like what happens to the object Oumuamua as it passes by huge space objects such as planets and stars in our planetary system. They carefully tally these assists, which accumulate as Oumuamua journeys through space. By doing this, they become like space detectives trying to figure out where Oumuamua came from. Many researchers are keen to look at the star systems or individual stars Oumuamua could have passed by during its journey across the universe. They speculate about groups of young stars and even specific stars like HIP 3757 and HD 292249 that could have had close encounters with Oumuamua long ago. However, pinpointing the exact celestial neighborhood where Oumuamua originated is incredibly challenging. Their grasp of Oumuamua's precise speed and the path it's taking through space is incomplete. Imagine the universe as a bustling highway, with stars and planets constantly moving, making it difficult to track Oumuamua's original journey. If Oumuamua got a boost from ejecting material like a massive engine, determining its exact trajectory becomes even trickier. As Oumuamua traverses the vast expanse between stars, it's moving through what scientists call the interstellar medium, a thin, wide mix resembling a thin cosmic soup made of tiny dust grains, gases, and fast-moving charged particles. Despite how thin it seems, this space soup gradually affects objects like Oumuamua over long periods, subtly altering their paths. This slow dance with interstellar matter adds an extra layer of mystery to Oumuamua's tale. When scientists try to trace the immense journey Oumuamua has undertaken, they have to factor in these delicate, persistent nudges. Oumuamua was a crucial discovery because it offered us a glimpse into the mysterious stretches of space beyond our familiar solar domain. Typically, objects in space move in predictable ways around the sun, following circular or elliptical orbits. However, Oumuamua behaves differently. It follows what's known as a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning it's on a one-way journey through our planetary system. Unlike planets and comets that orbit the sun repeatedly, Oumuamua came around once, got a speed boost from the sun's gravity, and is now zooming out of our solar system forever. This makes Oumuamua not just a drifter but a massive runner, racing away on a path that will take it far into the depths of space, never to return to our solar domain. This unique behavior gives scientists a rare opportunity to study an object from a completely different part of our galaxy, offering insights into the vast and mysterious universe beyond their immediate reach. The speed Oumuamua attained is astounding. It zoomed ahead at around 26 kilometers per second, It's so incredibly fast that it's not just leaving our sun behind in its vast rearview mirror. It's bidding farewell to the entire planetary system. Now it's heading towards a part of the sky known as the star constellation Pegasus, and it doesn't intend to turn back. It's like a bird migrating to warmer climates for the winter. Except, Oumuamua isn't just leaving for the season. It's leaving forever. Consider Oumuamua's visit as an extraordinary rare event. Due to its remarkable speed, even the sun's strong gravitational force can't lure it back for an encore. After it zoomed past us, all our space experts could do was monitor its path, analyze data, and gather as much insight as possible from this fleeting encounter. They've deduced that it will continue its solitary journey across the universe, drifting through the vast expanse of stars in our smooth manner. Perhaps it will intersect with other planetary systems or wander through the desolate expanses between stars, continuing its silent crusade through the universe for countless years to come. Imagine Oumuamua as a giant arrow soaring through the immensity of space, directly aimed at us from the celestial depths. It's like a colossal cosmic pointer, grabbing the attention of scientists worldwide. They've been watching with burning intensity, noting something peculiar. Unlike the graceful orbits of our familiar planets like Earth and Mars, Oumuamua follows a different path, termed a hyperbolic trajectory by those in the know. This rare trajectory means that Oumuamua is not a local traveler. Rather, it seems to have journeyed from a distant corner of the universe, far beyond our solar domain. The direction from which Oumuamua appeared adds one more layer of curiosity. It seems to have originated from the region of the sky where the celestial body Ira dwells. Just imagine looking upwards and spotting a cluster of stars. That's Ira, a distant constellation second in the night sky. However, pinpointing Oumuamua's exact celestial headquarters before its visit is like finding a needle in a haystack. Space is incredibly vast and ever-changing, presenting a massive challenge. Despite their advanced technology and expertise, unraveling the mystery of space remains a formidable task. They're just beginning to scratch the surface of understanding the intricacies that exist in the universe. The path Oumuamua took into our planetary system provides scientists with valuable clues, acting like a compass, guiding them to distant domains in the vast cosmic ocean beyond our solar system. This information may seem small, but it's a crucial piece of the infinite puzzle, enriching their understanding of how the universe is structured and how celestial bodies traverse space. As for Oumuamua's return visit to Earth, it's uncertain. Imagine a spaceship zooming past a planet at tremendous speed, bypassing its gravitational pull and continuing its journey in a straight line. That's precisely what Oumuamua did. Its passage through our planetary system resembled a temporary cosmic traveler making a brief stop and then moving on, never to return within our lifetime or even for many years into the future. This rare event afforded us a unique opportunity to witness a visitor from the depths of space pass through our celestial neighborhood. Despite being a one-time visitor, Oumuamua's significance remains undiminished. It can be likened to a cosmic courier delivering secrets from a distant corner of our galaxy, briefly passing by our solar system. While it doesn't communicate with us directly, the information they can glean from its speed, trajectory, and physical characteristics is immensely valuable. By focusing on these aspects, scientists can unravel mysteries about the circumstances and forces shaping various parts of the cosmic way. What do you think about Oumuamua's journey toward Earth?